Have you ever looked up at the night sky, gazing at the endless expanse above, and felt a sense of wonder? The stars seem to stretch on forever, each one a tiny beacon in the vast darkness, inviting us to dream and to question. And in those quiet moments, have you ever wondered if that's all there is? Or could there be more, much more, beyond what our eyes can see? Humanity has always questioned our place in the cosmos. For thousands of years we've looked up and tried to make sense of the universe, searching for meaning in the patterns of the stars. We once believed Earth was the center of everything, the focal point of creation. Ancient astronomers built observatories and mapped the heavens, convinced that all the stars and planets revolved around us. But as our knowledge grew, we learned we're just one planet orbiting an ordinary star, in a galaxy among billions of others. Our place in the universe became both smaller and more extraordinary. But what if our universe is just one page in an infinite cosmic library? Imagine every universe as a story, each with its own beginning, middle, and end, an endless collection of cosmic tales. The idea of a multiverse asks us to imagine countless universes, each with its own laws, stories, and maybe even another version of you. Some might be wildly different, while others could be eerily similar to our own. This isn't just science fiction. Some of the brightest minds in physics are exploring it. Theories like quantum mechanics and cosmic inflation hint at realities far stranger than we ever imagined. Each discovery has shown us we're part of something bigger. The multiverse is the next step in that journey. Every breakthrough opens new doors, revealing how much more there is to learn. By considering other universes, scientists push the boundaries of what we know. They challenge our assumptions and inspire us to keep searching for answers, no matter how impossible they may seem. The multiverse challenges us to see our existence as part of a vast, interconnected cosmic tapestry, one that is richer, stranger, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. So, what is the multiverse? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and storytellers for generations. The idea stretches our imagination and challenges what we think we know about reality itself. Simply put, it's the idea that our universe is just one of many. Like a single page in an infinite book, or a grain of sand on a cosmic beach. Imagine a giant apartment building. Our universe is just one apartment with countless others we can't see or visit. Each apartment might have its own unique layout, colors, and even rules for how things work inside. Each universe could have its own rules, history, and even inhabitants. Some might be filled with familiar stars and planets, while others could be so strange we can barely imagine them. Some might be nearly identical to ours, with only tiny differences, like a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct. Others could be wildly different, with laws of physics that make life, as we know it, impossible. Think of starting a new video game. Each playthrough creates a new world with its own rules, characters, and outcomes. The multiverse is like an endless series of these playthroughs, each one unique. The multiverse is the collection of all these worlds, each unfolding with its own physics, possibilities, and stories. It's a cosmic patchwork, stitched together by the fabric of imagination and scientific theory. For centuries we thought universe meant everything, one single all-encompassing reality. Our ancestors mapped the stars, believing they were charting the limits of existence itself. But if the multiverse is real, our universe is just a small part of a much grander whole, a single chapter in an endless cosmic saga. It's a paradigm shift, one that suggests we may not be the only universe, and that reality is far more complex and mysterious than we ever imagined. This doesn't make us less significant. It connects us to a vast, mysterious cosmic story, inviting us to wonder about our place in something much bigger. The multiverse expands our sense of what's possible, opening our minds to new questions and endless possibilities about existence itself. One leading multiverse idea comes from eternal inflation. After the Big Bang, the universe expanded rapidly. Cosmic inflation. Eternal inflation suggests this expansion never stopped everywhere. Instead, it created bubbles. Our universe is one bubble where inflation paused, allowing stars and galaxies to form. But new bubbles, new universes, are constantly forming in the inflating space beyond. Each bubble could have different laws of physics, or even be similar to ours. This helps explain why our universe seems so perfectly tuned for life. With infinite bubbles, at least one would have the right conditions. Most bubbles are isolated, never interacting. The bubble universe theory offers a simple answer to cosmic fine-tuning. We live in a bubble where the conditions were just right. The multiverse could be a cosmic foam, with each bubble a universe of its own. Now, let's enter the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, a realm where the rules of reality seem to twist and turn in ways that defy our everyday experience. Here, the universe behaves in ways that are almost impossible to imagine, challenging everything we think we know about how things work. At the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple states at once, until observed. This is called superposition, and it means that a single particle can be in two places or spin in two directions at the same time. Only when we look, or measure, does it choose a state. The many worlds interpretation takes this strangeness to a new level. It suggests that every quantum event, every time a particle faces a choice, splits the universe into parallel realities, each one following a different outcome. Every choice, every possibility, creates a new branch, a new universe. Imagine reality as a tree, with each decision causing a new branch to grow, endlessly multiplying. So when you pick chocolate ice cream, another you picks vanilla in a parallel world. Every tiny decision, from the mundane to the monumental, plays out in its own universe. This branching happens constantly, everywhere, with every quantum event. The universe is endlessly splitting, creating a vast, unimaginable number of realities. There are infinite versions of you, each living out different choices. In some worlds, you made different friends, chose a different career, or even took a different path home. These worlds are all around us, but forever separate. No messages, no visits. Each reality is sealed off, like pages in a book that can never touch. Unlike bubble universes, these many worlds overlap in space but are disconnected in quantum reality. They exist side by side, yet never interact, each following its own unique history. It's a mind-bending vision. Every possible outcome is real, somewhere. The universe is not just stranger than we imagine, but perhaps stranger than we can imagine. The many worlds theory radically expands what reality means. It invites us to consider that our universe is just one of countless others, each as real as our own. Our universe is just one thread in an endless quantum tapestry, woven together with infinite others, each telling its own story across the vastness of possibility. String theory takes us even further, suggesting reality is made of tiny vibrating strings. To work, string theory needs extra dimensions, up to 10 or 11. The Brane worlds theory says our universe is a brane floating in a higher dimensional space, like a slice of bread in a cosmic loaf. Other branes, other universes, could be right next to us, separated by a hidden dimension. Most forces are stuck to our brane, but gravity might leak between universes. This could explain why gravity is so weak and might even be testable in high-energy experiments. If true, the cosmos is a stack of realities, separated by invisible dimensions. Other universes could be closer than we think, just out of reach. Brane worlds offer a tantalizing vision of hidden realities side by side with our own. Why do scientists take the multiverse seriously? Because these ideas emerge from our best scientific theories. Bubble universes come from cosmic inflation, supported by observations like the cosmic microwave background. The many worlds interpretation is a direct response to quantum mechanics' strange predictions. Scientists didn't set out to find a multiverse. The math led them there. The multiverse could solve deep puzzles, like why our universe is so perfectly tuned for life. With infinite universes, it's inevitable that some have the right conditions. Exploring the multiverse pushes the boundaries of knowledge and inspires new experiments. For example, scientists search for evidence of bubble collisions in the cosmic microwave background. Thinking about the multiverse is a profound attempt to understand reality at its deepest level. The multiverse raises profound questions we may never answer. Can we visit or communicate with other universes? Almost certainly not. Each is separated by insurmountable barriers. If we can't observe them, is the multiverse science or philosophy? This debate continues among physicists. Some hope for indirect evidence, like cosmic bruises or effects in particle accelerators. Are all universes habitable, or is ours rare? Most might be lifeless, with different laws of physics. Are we a rare oasis in a cosmic desert, or is life common across the multiverse? And what created the multiverse itself? Did it have a beginning, or is it eternal? These mysteries remind us how much we have yet to discover. The idea of alternate versions of ourselves is both fascinating and unsettling. In the bubble universe model, infinite universes mean every possibility, including another you, exists somewhere. The many worlds theory guarantees it. Every quantum event creates a new you living a different life. There are universes where you made every possible choice, some triumphant, some tragic, but these other yous are not you. They diverged at the moment of choice and became separate people. You'll never meet them, but their existence highlights the significance of your unique path. Every decision creates a new world, branching out from your own story. Your life is the trunk of a tree, with countless branches extending into the multiverse. The existence of other yous doesn't diminish your individuality, it makes your journey unique. The multiverse suggests every choice matters, echoing across infinite realities. We live in a time when science lets us imagine realities beyond our own. The multiverse is a serious, if speculative, frontier of physics. Whether these theories are true remains to be seen, but the spirit of inquiry is what matters. The quest to understand the multiverse continues. Humanity's tradition of looking up and wondering. Embracing these ideas stretches our minds and enriches our perspective. The universe, or multiverse, is vast, complex, and stranger than we can imagine. Let that inspire humility and wonder, not insignificance. The journey of discovery is as important as the destination. So next time you gaze at the night sky, see the questions and possibilities. The story of reality is the greatest adventure, and we've only just begun.